Welcome to Ngobo 20 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.com. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 3 Arrows 0. My brother, how's it? Good man. Your take on the game tonight?
Ngiqale ngokubongela iPirates for winning igame namhlanje. Farewell game for Jose Rivero. For me mengibheka le game, it was a must win game, especially if ubheka ukuthi the coach nayo it recently lost the final, Nedbank Cup final.
Exactly, yeah.
So you know, when coming to these games, it's so hard, especially after losing against the Kaizer Chiefs. It won't be a tough game. Maybe we'll win, maybe with 3 or 4 goals.
Exactly,
especially if Upera now you finally by approaching, like they were too relaxed. You could see the players like Abatazel even after conceding the first goal. Like Abanako look high, it came like they're still playing the Polala. Young tall. But coming to this game after losing such a final and not after maybe 14 days, just immediately
exactly,
you have a game during the week. So it's not something as simple. Even I affect only Ama fans. If you beg stadium, Ama fans they didn't come to the stadium the way we could expect. So if you beg the coach is going after so much work, fantastic work. If Ama fans appreciate. It is because of the effects now that thing young tall and it's namanje kusa still early ukuthi manje you can still young tall but ngiyababongela ama players ukuthi nawo lawa akukhonile ukudlala namhlanje ukuthi afike and show ukuthi we are still Orlando Pirates, we are still paying for Orlando Pirates, like we signed contracts for this team. Ukuthi we lost the final doesn't mean we don't want to play. We don't have to play.
I mean, 3 goals, 3 clean sheet. I mean,
it's a clean sheet.
3 points also. 3
points also. Young tall. Unfortunately, the season if you beg league, you can say with it's late. I think in Pirates for me they started very well this season, but my hambi season we are there were those injuries that affected them a lot, and the amanyama players getting to a team ukuthi azodlala like abosibisi umbokazi bengakafiki bekusadlala boqoki ukuthi you are trying to introduce new players after my injuries, and you told ukuthi you are losing ama games young told Pirates, I think they lost 5 games this season. If you beg indlela abaqale ngayo bungeke kusho ukuthi Pirates
7 in a row.
Like
exactly,
I think in history Pirates ayikaze yenzeka le nto young told, but mawubheka ukuthi after that kwaba khona ukuthi kube khona ama on and off with team uyabona ukuthi bayabamba bayeka, especially playing a lot of ama competitions, CAF playing league. League they were not just playing. If you bheka amanye ama team bona they wanted to win the league. There was a time when they were top of the league, I think leading by 6 points. If you bheka ukuthi lapho busho ukuthi high Pirates won't lose the game young told, they don't lose any game,
especially last towards December last year.
Last year I think they beat Imarungu Gallants 8 goals at home. Lapho busuthi Pirates ayashaya manje ngithola, but it's not easy competing against a team like Mamelodi Sundowns. You know which this is a team engapheli mandla. You could say ngalimala umvala, but that doesn't mean he's over affected. There's a player who step up. If a midfield young told every time you ask makuphuma bani ngeni quality ngeni quality, it's a team that wants to compete for bigger things. I just want to thank Patrice Motsepe, Dr. Patrice Motsepe ukuthi ayenze ukuthi iSundowns nama African teams akwazi ukuthola that recognition kwi-world football. Young told, it's not something that is very simple ukuthi ungayenza noma kanjani, just changing into okay for many years ukuthi kudlala ama champions ama continents, but we change young told, but ukuthi change ukuthi manje sekuzongena ngama points young told, and calculating these things ukuthi yenze sense. It's such a great thing for South African football. And also I want to congratulate naye Orlando Pirates ukuthi guys, even though if a fantastic season from coach Jose Rivero, especially this one. I think yellow car figure 3 years abe now. I think a top kunalawa I2
exactly
aphuma kuona. But if ubheka ukuthi sekubhlungu manje for Orlando Pirates fans, but if you remember when he came, this guy they were calling him a plumber, ukuthi who is this Spanish plumber osilethela yona la by their greater coaches abawacabangayo. I think the Orlando Pirates fans now they need to learn this thing ukuthi Jose Mayeza South Africa, the coaching, not the coaching staff, the management of Orlando Pirates, they knew exactly what they were doing. So if Orlando Pirates does this thing again, young tall, they must understand the Orlando Pirates, they know what they are doing, because my decisions and the work management, it's not all the time we will follow my decisions. I show my fans, but now they will follow my decisions that will meet their vision as a football club. Do you get me? So now my fans, all they have to do is to support the football club every decision in management if we bring this coach, if we bring this technical team, all those things, even the players as of time Orlando Pirates, they need to support them if players ezongena kuleyo system ye coach entsha kungabi khona something as a developer manje ukuthi after Jose ahambile then there are talks ukuthi there's hate among some players ukuthi manje player ethize is getting more time yokudlala ibhola than any player ebidlala before yangithola. So for me mangiyibuka ngiyasho ukuthi Orlando Pirates, it's still Orlando Pirates, there's nothing changed. Coach come and go, they must understand ukuthi even if it is hurting for Orlando Pirates fans, but they must know ukuthi the coaches will come, it might bring more happiness we don't know who's gonna come. Maybe ngakho come coach at top yazi ukuthi mina give me lona look then I'll give you the league, I'll give you the CAF Champions League, anything. So but for now we are just looking forward to what's going to coming to this game. I think Golden Arrows for me first half ngizosho ukuthi they played according to their standard. They understood ukuthi we are playing against Orlando Pirates, not trying to make mistakes, especially in the back line. If you back four, they came with a standard 4-3 formation, especially ensuring with this back four, even the full backs they stay and be aware and bakati labafana laba uNkotha and also Relebogile Mfukeng on the left. But looking at the game, first half yabo, they didn't want to build up, let's slow build up, let you know from Manqoba Mngqithi, because you know which is one of those quality player coaches afuna ukuthi build and take it cards, then uqale ngale quick transition, because it's that one kind of a coach adlala nge quick transition ukuthi 3-2 passes we are in the box counters but mangibheka igame yabo, they wanted ukuthi mabe susi ball move, they pass it with defender, the center back, but nge pressing Orlando Pirates it's forced them ukuthi badlala ama long ball. Badlala ama long balls bawakhiphela, it's either kuzokhuphuka lentwana uTeron azothinta i-center line, then mayethola ibhola lapho he passes straight to Umthanti. I think it's Mthanti if I'm not mistaken. That guy, I think he first 10 to 20 minutes he played ukuthi bumbona ukuthi he can do something, especially getting ama 1v1s against Mbokazi ukuthi akwazi ukuthi akhile igame, but equality yakhe I think mina it didn't allow him ukuthi abe that much dangerous, and yambekezela Mbokazi not yakhe ngithola. I think equality yambekezela Mbokazi imallowanga ukuthi akwazi ukungena kulowo ama spaces adlale kahle. But if ubheka ukuthi on the other side uSibiya ngale, he was not supported by this guy number 30 ebidlala left back, sengikhohle igama lakhe, but that guy ubehleli noNkotha every time ngisho ngene sense uNkotha uhamba naye mayephuma nayo yangithola futhi it was a tactic ukuthi wena just stay with this guy. If you bheka first half yakhe uNkotha he didn't get that much of iball ukuthi space sakhe sokuthi adlale, but if ubheka mayethola ama 1v1 mayethola may receive iball, every time there's a player joiner in izo supporter layer number 42 if I'm not mistaken, I think 45 izo joiner before me 2v1 against uNkotha. So that is why it was hard for him ukuthi akwazi ukupenetrate. So every time I forced ukuthi adlale iball move, because even if ubheka igol u receive iball uyalibona ukuthi I know I can't get the opportunity la, will pass her back lapha kwi D-line, then it was just to Mfukeng. So it was an opportunity for Mfukeng, and Mfukeng
and he was supposed to score it. I mean he couldn't and manje mawubheka Mfukeng with his football intelligence, he was able to create that chance. Kodwa ngiyakhala Mfukeng bafetha, ngiyakhala Mfukeng nangisasho namanje. I think even if stats masingasibheki kakhulu, if isibheke quality yakhe, I think he deserves to get a young player of the season. Again,
young player of the season. I think that's something ongamnikeza wona manje umfana just to keep that confidence ukuthi umfana lokho acabanga ukuthi okay I'm keep going, I'm still growing as a footballer. Do you get me? Then Mbheka uMabasa for me I think it didn't get much of footballer. I think he scored that just one goal, but if ubheka overall player yakhe he didn't play.
I think he was a bit flat-footed nyane yakhohlwa
amabhola bampasela bamkhiphela ama cross every time ayeza kuyena ukhohliwe ukuthi ukuthi usadlala sase groundini yangithola but mina mengibheka ukuthi naye le space abedlala kusona asimallowanga ukuthi akwazi ukureceive ibhola kahle. Phela uMabasa is one kind of a striker oshaya le pass bathi wall pass whereby ibhola lizofika shaya kuye bese yalprotect ngithola ukuthi akwazi ukushaya leyo pass, but he didn't get much of ibhola ukuthi akwazi ukuthola ama opportunities because ama defenders lawa wethu they were just aware ukuthi guys make sure ukuthi this guy he doesn't get much of ibhola, even if ibhola liza kuyena there's someone ohlezi closer to him and my closer to him akamlindi ukuthi receive ibhola, they go for ibhola then uThekgofa Somabasa. For me I player okay ngiqhubeka futhi ngibheka iPirates ngibuye on the Pirates side. If ubheka iPirates yona they wanted to play 3 at the back ukuthi be ensure ukuthi uShandu stays disciplined ukuthi all the time ka right back akakhuphuki because into ebiyenza ukuthi ahlale la phansi bebona ukuthi uHotho ukhuphuka kakhulu and manje mayekhuphuka kakhulu uMakhawula uyaphuma center uzocover le space lesi and mayezo cover le space lesi usale yi1 la then bese kuba uMbokazi ngapha mawubheka emuva sekubecome I back 4 because use odile this guy Makhawula maye eda seshiya number la midfield kusele bani kusele Silepe who was playing as an 8 then there's a Dlamini. Mina I don't know ukuthi if you're a coach you don't realize this thing ukuthi manje phela there's a space lapho ngena le space amakhawula. There was a time where Orlando Pirates considered a goal in the final. Umat he went to the space la fa ngabe uMakhawula ekhona yangithola because wabona ukuthi okay la fa ngabe khona holding midfield engabe izongigada mina, but because of manje akasekho lo muntu lo so let me take this space.
Le ball watching yabashaya futhi
ke futhi ukuthi to freeze on the side ukuthi albuyise back and mabethi bayaqalaza umuntu seyashaya and mina ngiyajabula ukuthi washaya hard volley fast ukuthi angalokho afuna ukubamba nebhola yangithola but if ubheka na today's game Orlando Pirates, but for me they were clinical in front of goal, especially if ubheka yena uDlamini that free kick one of the top educated left-footed players in South African football. I think when it comes to passing, crossing, I think ngamnikeza those things because uDlamini I think game yakhe amayedlala akadlala ngegame speed
even in the first touch yakhe
I think is the one kind of play you understand ukuthi maye receive iball
read the game
uyazi ukuthi khona into azoyenza wena ngamjaha ukuthi pass iball uyazi ukuthi uzoyenzani yabo but mina ngamjabulela naye ukuthi athole this game time. I hope ukuthi coach elandelayo izomnikeza this game time mawe bahluleka abaneza amanye ama team azobabonisa ukuthi uba but no ngiyayibongela kakhulu Orlando Pirates. We just see ukuthi what happens for the next season and then for these games la azobanjwa uMandla Ncikazi because uMandla Ncikazi ngizwe kuthiwa is the one who's gonna coach for interim coach for these games as well. But ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Number one, thanks so much my brother. Ona keep well.
Okay, no.
For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngoba2010sharpi.com.